Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Iraqi Dinar Updates. Today, we're diving into some exciting news from Revaluation Bank that's all about making your banking experience even easier. They're rolling out a brand new network of ATMs at key locations, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. Let's take a closer look at what this means for you and the evolving world of banking. Revaluation Bank has recently made an important announcement regarding the deployment of a network of automated teller machines, ATMs, at several of its stations. This move is designed to provide customers with more convenience and enhance their banking experience. With these new ATMs, customers can now perform essential banking functions like withdrawing and depositing money in a secure and easy-to-use manner. The introduction of these machines marks a step forward in improving the accessibility of banking services and ensuring that customers can manage their financial transactions more efficiently. For a long time, people have depended on traditional methods of banking, which usually involved visiting a bank branch in person to carry out any transactions. However, with the rise of digital banking and the increasing use of online banking platforms, many of the activities that used to require a visit to the bank can now be done from the comfort of one's home or on the go. Despite this shift toward digital and mobile banking, cash is still an essential part of many people's daily lives, particularly in regions where digital payments are not as widely accepted or where certain types of transactions still require physical money. This is where the newly introduced ATMs come into play. While digital banking options have made a significant impact, there are still scenarios where people prefer or need to have cash on hand. Cash transactions continue to play a crucial role in the economy, especially in areas where electronic payment systems are not universally available, or where businesses and individuals are more comfortable dealing in physical currency. ATMs provide a crucial solution for these needs, offering a safe and efficient way for people to access and manage their cash. However, it's also important to consider whether ATMs are still necessary in a world that is increasingly moving toward a cashless society. The rise of digital wallets, mobile payment systems, and online banking has led many to question the future role of physical cash and, by extension, the role of ATMs. In some parts of the world, cash usage has declined sharply, with more people choosing to make purchases and transfer money electronically. This shift has been particularly noticeable in urban areas and among younger generations who are more comfortable with digital technology. As a result, it might seem like the need for ATMs could be diminishing. Despite these trends, cash remains an essential tool for many individuals, particularly in more rural areas or among populations who are less familiar with digital technologies. In these communities, physical cash is often still the preferred method of payment, and ATMs provide a critical service by allowing people to access their money when they need it. This is why Revaluation Bank's move to deploy a network of ATMs is significant. It reflects the ongoing need for physical banking options, even as digital banking continues to grow in popularity. Moreover, the new ATMs from Revaluation Bank are not just designed for withdrawals but also for deposits, which adds another layer of convenience for customers. The ability to deposit cash directly into an ATM eliminates the need for a trip to a bank branch, saving time and reducing the overall effort involved in conducting banking transactions. For customers who live far from a bank branch or who have limited access to banking hours, this can be an invaluable service, allowing them to perform essential financial functions without having to go out of their way. At the same time, the fact that these ATMs are being deployed at stations suggests that Revaluation Bank is aiming to make banking services more accessible to people in transit. Stations, such as those at transportation hubs or near high-traffic areas, are strategic locations where many people pass through on a daily basis. By placing ATMs in these areas, the bank is making it easier for customers to access their funds when they need them most, without having to make a special trip to a dedicated bank branch. This kind of convenience is particularly important in today's fast-paced world, where time is often at a premium and people are looking for ways to streamline their daily routines. Despite the convenience that ATMs offer, there is an ongoing debate about the role of physical cash in an increasingly digital world. Some experts argue that the widespread use of digital payments and online banking systems will eventually lead to the decline of cash as a form of payment. In many countries, we are already seeing this shift, with more and more businesses and consumers opting for electronic methods of payment. Mobile payment apps, credit and debit cards, and even contactless payment methods are becoming more common, and many people find these options faster and more convenient than carrying cash. However, there are still significant barriers to a fully cashless society. Not everyone has access to the internet or the necessary technology to participate in digital banking. In rural or underdeveloped areas, where internet infrastructure may be limited, cash remains the only reliable form of payment. Furthermore, some people simply prefer the tangibility and security that comes with cash. For those individuals, digital payments may not offer the same level of trust or convenience as physical money does. In addition, there are situations where cash is still necessary for certain types of transactions. For example, some small businesses or informal sectors may only accept cash payments, and there may be instances where people need to withdraw cash quickly for emergencies or for personal reasons. While digital payment methods are becoming more prevalent, there is still a significant demand for cash, particularly for day-to-day transactions that take place outside of formal financial systems. For Revaluation Bank, that decision to invest in ATMs reflects an understanding of these dynamics and the recognition that while digital banking is on the rise, there are still many people who rely on cash for their everyday transactions. By providing a reliable and secure way to access and deposit money, the bank is ensuring that it meets the needs of its diverse customer base, regardless of their preferred method of banking. Ultimately, the deployment of these ATMs is a recognition that the world of banking is changing, but that change does not necessarily mean the end of cash. Instead, it is a sign that financial institutions like Revaluation Bank are evolving to meet the needs of their customers in a way that balances the convenience of digital banking with the ongoing demand for physical cash. As long as cash remains an essential part of daily life for many people, ATMs will continue to serve an important role in the financial landscape, providing a vital service for those who need it. This new ATM network from Revaluation Bank is a significant step in enhancing customer access to their funds. What are your initial thoughts on this expansion? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial updates and analysis. Thanks for watching.